Dear friends, welcome to learning about IBPS, that is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, the autonomous body which is responsible for the recruitment process of clerks and POs for the public sector banks, has come up with three supplement notifications in the last week of this October, and one of the notification is pertaining to the recruitment of clerks. So that supplement notification for the recruitment of clerks along with its corresponding original notification. Now this is what I am going to talk about in this video. Now there are 11 participating banks and there are about 2600 vacancies declared as of now, and the gross take home, that is the what you may get in hand per month, is approximately about 23,000 for this post, and people who can apply are people who attain the eligibility of educational qualification by 6th of November. That is, what happened was originally the notification was given in August, and the candidates were asked to fill from 2nd of September to 23rd of September, right? But by the time during the last week of September, end semester exams, the final semester examinations were still happening throughout the country. So because of that, this supplement notification has come. So people who can apply are people who have graduated recently, they can apply. Also the graduates who missed the earlier application window, people who missed during the September window, they can also apply now. So important dates: the registration, online registration process has already started from 23rd of October. It goes on up to 6th of November, that is the last date. And as far as the eligibility criteria, so being a citizen of India, then the age is from 20 years minimum to 28 years max, and based on the category to which you belong, there is an age relaxation also. And as far as educational qualification, a degree is a must, a degree in any discipline. There are no additional requirements given in the original notification as well as the supplement notification. And this is an written test only post. There is no interview for this post. Okay, there is only test. There are two tests. One is the preliminary examination, other one is the main examination, right? In both these examinations, both are computer based examinations, online examinations, and both the exams have sectional time limits and sectional cutoffs. That is, each section has got a separate time limit. Beyond that, you will be automatically moved to the next section. That's one. Also, each section has got a minimum qualifying mark, right? Now, how much is that mark for each section? That has not been explicitly mentioned by IBPS, but there is a minimum qualifying marks. Also very important is that there is one negative marks. There is 1 mark for every correct answer and minus 0.25 negative marks for every wrong answers. Okay, and the numerical ability and reasoning ability for the preliminary examination, and the quants and reasoning for the main examination. You will find videos of the previous years completely solved. Sometime by next week it will be available in our learning board channel. Please make use of it. So coming to preliminary examination, you have 100 marks, 3 sections: English language, numerical ability and reasoning ability. Now the English language question will be only in English language, whereas numerical and reasoning ability will be there in 2 languages. One is English and other one is Hindi. And after, if you qualify, that is, if you come in the top percentile of candidates in the preliminary examination, you will be called for the main examination, right? But for the final allotment, that is the provisional allotment of the final job offer, the preliminary exam marks will not be considered. Please remember that only the main exam marks will be considered. Main examination is conducted for 200 marks. That will be conducted for 100 marks, and the top candidates based on various the reservation policy, based on the availability vacancies, the provisional allotment will be given. So here it is complete for 200 marks and 160 minutes. And as I said before, English section will be, the questions only will be in English. The other 3 sections, the questions will be in Hindi as well as English. So to apply, please log into the URL that I've given here, and the application fees is 175 rupees for SC, ST and physically challenged, and for others it is 850 rupees. And the photograph signature is all the usual standard dimensions given in the various examinations. Apart from that, additionally, IBPS asks you to give a handwritten declaration written using your own hand, that is your own handwriting should be there, right, on your only in the English language, white paper and black ink, and the dimensions are given. A sample format is given in the IBPS notification. Now this sample form and then various other forms for OBC, SC, ST and all that, all this is available in our Telegram channel. So the link to the Learning About's Telegram channel for IBPS is given below in the description. Please make use of that. And both when you go for the preliminary examination and the main examination, also when you go for the after you get the provisional allotment, when you go for the joining process, along with the call letter and the other your certificates, you should have a photo identity card as listed here. So the key points: you have 2 examinations and there is no interview for this post. I hope the information provided in this video was useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to Learning About. Thank you very much for joining.